Deadlines slip. Frustration rises. In one banking project, network modernization teams found themselves caught in a never-ending loop. Developers pointed at operations at infrastructure. Infrastructure blamed the vendors. Each team was busy, yet nothing moved forward. Progress halted under the weight of confusion and blame. Everything changed when Scrum roles took center stage. The Scrum Master did not manage or command. Instead, they removed obstacles, coordinated tricky vendor dependencies, facilitated focused daily scrums, protected the sprint from distractions, shielding valuable team time. Barriers fell, communication sparked, collaboration deepened across roles. The results spoke volumes. Deployment frequency doubled, delivering value faster than ever. Persistent network issues faded into the background. The work finally flowed. Now imagine healthcare. Outpatient waiting rooms full, lines growing longer. Each department worked in isolation: doctors, nurses, IT, operations, even reception. Yet, the challenge remained: reduce OPD waiting time. With Scrum, everyone merged into one unified team. In each sprint, all voices contributed. Every cycle addressed a real patient pain point: booking appointments, managing tokens, ensuring doctor availability, automating notifications, optimizing queues. Every improvement meant faster service and better care. Scrum transformed scattered efforts into shared success across banking, healthcare, and more. When blockers are removed and teams flow together, business transformation is not just possible, it's inevitable. That's Scrum in action, where roles empower change and collaboration leads to results. How will your organization transform?